Man, oh shit. Um, in between cooking, making sure hubby got him something to eat before he lay it down, and editing videos. Oh my god, this has been my job today. This has been my job. It's not easy. It's not fun. It's aggravating, but this is part of the job. This is part of the job. Things are still moving slow. Yes, we still have a hole in the roof, and it rained today. Yay, rain. This is me doing my part. I am here for one job and one job only, and that's make this man's job easy. And his job, the reason he came here was to save his family's legacy. So whatever I can do to make that easier, no matter how hard it is on me right now, no matter how frustrated I am, no matter how lost I feel. Yeah. So this was me today. This was my day today.